Let's use Notion agents to create an SOP automatically from a walkthrough video. So let's say you have this, how to create a mockup image. Let's get the transcript. Let's copy this. Let's go to Notion, and then let's type in create an SOP using, then I'm gonna paste the script here, transcript. After a few seconds, this is your newly created create a mockups for Notion templates SOP. Let's go to it here. And it has a very good structure where you have purpose, the procedure, the steps, the video. Let's embed here, so let's go do that. Let's copy link here. Let's paste it here. The output can paste the screenshots here, and FAQs, or I call it possible questions. This is through Notion agent, and it automatically create an SOP in my knowledge hub here.